Hey there, DET learners! Today we're going to learn how to answer a speaking question. What are the advantages of acquiring a new language? First, let me try to answer this. Keep in mind, you can pause this video at any time to study the idiomatic expressions and useful collocations I use. You'll find them in the guide section below the video. Let's get started. Well, kicking things off, learning a new language, it's not just about adding a skill to your resume, although that's certainly a big plus. It's like opening a door to a whole new world, you know? First and foremost, it broadly expands your cultural horizons. By understanding another language, you get this unique insight into the culture, the way people think, their traditions, and their values. It's almost as if you're getting a backstage pass to a culture that was previously a closed book to you. Another huge perk is the boost in employment opportunities. In today's global economy, being bilingual or even multilingual can really set you apart from the competition. Employers value the versatility and cross-cultural communication skills that come with language proficiency. It's not just about being able to speak another language, it's about understanding and connecting with a wider range of people. And, let's not forget about the cognitive benefits. Studies have shown that learning a new language can improve memory, enhance problem-solving skills, and even delay the onset of dementia in later life. It's like, by challenging your brain to navigate through a new linguistic landscape, you're giving it a really good workout. Lastly, it opens up a world of travel opportunities. When you speak the local language, even just a little, it can transform your travel experience. You're not just a tourist anymore, you become a part of the community, even if it's just for a short while. You can forge deeper connections with people, enjoy off-the-beaten-path experiences, and well, it just makes the whole adventure more enriching and, honestly, a lot more fun. So, yeah, in a nutshell, learning a new language, it's incredibly rewarding on so many levels, from personal growth to professional development, and everything in between. That wraps up our session on this topic. If you want to learn more about the Duolingo English Test and get some strategy and solution tips, feel free to follow and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.